Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look at another new floor plan. We had one of these earlier this summer, but it came and went pretty quick, so we didn't really get a chance to have a good look at it. We're looking at a 32 MBDS today. You see the little outdoor kitchen built into this one, so you've got the single burner gray stone flat top and a little fridge above, so everything you really need to get outside and do your cooking, have a beer outside, that sort of thing. You've got an LP quick connect underneath. It's actually a dual LP quick connect underneath, so you can hook up a barbecue outside if you want to. You can get the portable barbecue that bumper mounts, or you can just get one that comes with the tripod that will set up so you can do your cooking outside. Two ways: you can either barbecue or use the flat top, and you've got your fridge right there as well. This one does have a ladder on the roof. Get you up onto the roof to do your maintenance. Nice big window at the back. We'll see that on the inside. So 32 MBDS mid bunk with a dinette slide. And we've ordered this one with the patio doors. So nice big open glass patio doors on this unit. Gives you a nice bright interior. So as we come in, you can see a really nice big living space. Don't mind that. So at the back, we saw that window from the outside. We've got a tri-fold couch, so that'll pop open and create some extra sleeping space. But look at this nice social space you've got. You've got two Thomas Paine recliners. You've got your tri-fold couch. You can sit back here and have a nice view of your television. You get your fireplace, Bluetooth stereo. There's your pantry. 12-volt fridge is huge on the inside. You've got your island kitchen with the high-rise faucet. Again, this nice hardwood insert on the barn-style stainless steel sink. Great counter space. You've got your microwave, 3-burner cooktop with your range underneath. Good storage here as well. 3 drawers and another spot there at the bottom. Keep your pots and pans in. And some storage above. Your U-shaped dinette really opens up to become another double bed. You can drop that table down, rearrange the cushions Tetris style, and you've got another place to sleep. So you can sleep 2 at the back, you can sleep a couple here, and you know, I'm sure 1 or 2 of you out there might be watching this video thinking those comfortable recliners might be a spot to sleep as well. But we talked about a mid-bunk. Here's your mid-bunk unit right here. So it's a little dark at the moment because we've got the other bunk in the up position, but you've got a fold-down futon-style couch with the console in the middle to fold down and create a little entertainment space. I'll drop that bunk down so you can get a look at it. There we go, let there be light. And step back, and there's your bunk. Again, you can sleep 2 there on the jackknife and 1 up here above. Got some cabinet space in here, a little counter space as well. Some storage and a spot to mount a TV here on the wall. So you can use this as an extra living room if you want for company when they come along. Nice long hallway here. You can see again from the inside out, looking at those nice sliding glass doors. Opens up a lot of light in the unit. Washroom area, nice corner shower. You've got all kinds of storage here to the left. Foot flush toilet, full-size sink and a medicine cabinet, and a skylight there, and a vent to keep everything nice and bright and aired out. Coming towards the top of the camper in the main bedroom, you've got shirt closet on either side, full-size queen bed, storage on either side. Charging stations on both sides with an optional USB here as well. So, along with windows on either side to keep the breeze coming through. You've got the barnboard style finish with the lights above the bed and the spot to mount a TV if you so choose. So really a park model style floor plan and a travel trailer with some park model style options, but just really love this big open social space in the back. You can just sort of imagine yourself hanging out, having the family over, maybe watching the game, playing some cards around the U-shaped dinette, enjoying prepping some food for everyone at that nice island kitchen. Just a fantastic unit. Love this layout. Come on down and see us here at Leisure Time Sales in Quispam Sis. Our friends up in Moncton have a great selection for you too. They're staying open all year round. We're here for you 12 months of the year at Leisure Time Sales. Happy to help you find the trailer to get you out and ready to camp for spring of next year. We'll see you soon.